Review of the Week 10 Communication Assignment. You are to tell the difference between a gerund phrase and a participial phrase and use the subjunctive mood using were. I wrote some sentences right here, and I'm going to describe those sentences. Using Microsoft Word, I'll highlight that, is a gerund phrase. A gerund phrase begins with a word ending in ing and can be used as the subject of a sentence. Using Microsoft Word is the subject of this sentence. The predicate of the sentence is, which is a linking verb. The second sentence begins with wanting to know how to format Excel. And wanting also begins with ing. The difference between the two sentences is the use of the comma. I think you can see that comma. The second sentence begins with ing and stops with the comma. Immediately after the comma, the sentence tells who wants to format with Excel. I want to format with Excel, so that's why I comes after the comma. The subject of the sentence always follows the participial phrase. If I were to squeeze more classes into my schedule, uses the subjunctive mood. The word were is contrary to fact. I absolutely cannot squeeze more classes into my schedule. You would not say if I was able to squeeze more classes into my schedule. The next part of speech to look for is the infinitive. The infinitive begins with the word to plus a word that can be used as a verb. I look at this first sentence and I do not have any infinitives in the first sentence, but the second sentence has to know. To is followed by the word know, and know can be used as a verb. An example of using know as a verb is I know how to ride a bike. We also have to format in the second sentence. To, followed by the word format. Can format be used as a verb? Well, I can think of an example. I format the document. Therefore, format can be used as a verb. I look in my writing and I see the words to and squeeze. To, followed by the word that can be used as a verb, squeeze. Now I'm finished with the assignment. I have 3 infinitives, I have 1 gerund phrase, and I have 1 participial phrase. And the participial phrase is the one that takes a comma and the subject immediately follows the comma. I have the subjunctive word mood were that is contrary to fact, and I have 3 infinitives. In addition, I have used active voice in my writing. I hope that you find this helpful in doing your assignment.